Good morning, America. It is 8 a.m. on October 1st, 2030, and my name is Nicole Du Bois.
And my name is Ashlyn Miller. Today we will be talking about all the climate change issues that are affecting us today.
Well, what is climate change?
Well, Nicole, the technical definition is a change in global or regional climate patterns, in particular a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards and attributed largely to the increased levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels.
Wow, that's interesting. I've heard climate change has effects on us like the Earth becoming warmer. We will experience more evaporation and precipitation, and sea levels will increase.
That's crazy. I heard that the average precipitation has increased since the 1900s in some areas, but in other places it is decreasing. Now to Savannah in West Chester, Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Savannah, and I'm your out-of-state newscaster for the weather today for climate change. I'm in West Chester, Pennsylvania, 45 minutes outside of Philadelphia, and it's a beautiful day today. Chance of no rain. No rain. Well, for the most part. It's October 1st, the beginning of fall, really, and the leaves are starting to change. It's getting colder, which means there's a really good chance for all the hunters out there to start seeing some deer. It should be a really good time to see them. It's starting to get real cold, and it's real good news for them. So hopefully it just gets colder, and climate change kind of comes to an end.
Thanks, Savannah, for that wonderful weather report up there in Pennsylvania. I'm Gabby down here in sunny South Florida, Broward County to be exact, but we're feeling a little bit more effects of the climate change here. You're probably wondering why I'm standing in the middle of an empty pool. Well, our evaporation levels down here in South Florida have increased significantly over the past few months and especially the past few days. 3 days ago, my entire pool was filled to the top, and now, as you can see, it's less than half full. Not only has the evaporation levels increased, our heat index has increased significantly as well. It's October and it's been about 120 degrees 24/7 here in South Florida. Ridiculously hot, and you can't even go for a swim in your pool because, well, it's evaporated. You're probably wondering why I have this umbrella when there's no rain, but there is sun, so make sure to use these umbrellas wisely. Now to Lasia and Brittany with sports.
Thanks, Gabby. I'm Lisha.
And I'm Brittany.
And we're your sportscasters.
The winter sports industry is worth an estimated $12.2 billion to the U.S. Research carried out by the National Resource Defense Council in 2018 stated that there would be trouble for all businesses that would depend on winter weather. For example, snowboarding and skiing, as well as other related sectors such as lodging, bars, and restaurants.
Outdoor ice hockey has virtually gone extinct. Can you believe that?
I can't.
In Canada today, there's only 40 playable days per year. And it's predicted that by 2090, it'll fall to only 28 days.
That's so short. Temperatures across the U.S. are rising. According to the report, winter temperatures have warmed 0.16 degrees Fahrenheit per decade since 1895. Without intervention, winter temperatures are projected to warm an additional 4 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century.
Studies show that by 2050, almost half of the past Winter Olympic cities will be too warm for outdoor alpine sports. Only 6 out of 19 cities would still be cold enough to keep the ice and snow from melting. 700,000 winter sports jobs are at risk due to climate change. That's our jobs, people. How are we going to provide for our children? Cut it.
And now back to Ashlyn and Nicole.
Thank you, Brittany and Lisha. Today on The Pioneer, we have seen the great effects that climate change can have on everyone.
We need to come up with a good plan before our planet is no longer sustainable.
This just in, we are in the middle of a Category 4 tornado. We are being evacuated right now.
This is not a drill.
This is not a drill. We have a great night. Stay safe.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.